Hey, what's going on? And I just want to start off with saying excuse the noise in the background. I am at home with the family, but this just came through. I'm covering up the the joinees information for privacy purposes, but this just came through while I was chilling and hanging out with the family. And I just want you to know that this is totally doable. This is a member-to-member direct sales opportunity. This is a global opportunity, very friendly, beginner friendly. Excuse me about my mistongue, but this is an easy, simple way to make daily pay, direct pay, by posting pre-written ads on social media to attract the perfect client to you that will want to join with you in your opportunity. And I just want to go over and show you real quick how I posted one of the ads that's in the back office. They give you 200 pre-written ads when you start at the pro level. This is one of the ads in the back office that I posted, and as you can see, I got a Ronald Colvin said, "Hey, cuz, DM me." So I told him, in your inbox, I got with them and everybody, saying that this is a wonderful opportunity. And I have Patty Lamar asking me how. And this is just by posting these simple pre-written ads on social media. So I welcome Ronald into the group, to the proof group, so he can see all the people that's enjoying this opportunity and having great success with it. I follow the instructions in the training, you guys. I didn't just send him my link. I didn't just post all the information inside Messenger. I took him through the qualified questions. We had a little conversation on where he would like to see himself in the next month or two with the income goal. And then after we chatted a little bit, he said, "Cool, send me to the Facebook group." I sent him over to the Facebook group, and what I did was I sent him over a link to a YouTube channel just like something like this you're watching right now. I sent him the link over so that way he can see more in detail of what's going on with Infinity Processing System. Now, this strategy really helped me close sales. He's giving me his number. I call him, we chop it up. I send him over the detail information. I get back with him around the 1st of September, see if he's still interested in the program. And then today, he got started with me. At the Elite level. Now, how can you get started with this? How does it work? You're gonna get started, join at one of the levels to get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Start collecting 100% daily commissions to you. That could be to Cash App, that could be Stripe, that could be the Venmo, that could be the PayPal. They show you how to set up a PayPal button, but I really recommend you do Stripe and Cash App. Stripe has a new system where you can also add Cash App to your Stripe system. So that way, if anybody goes inside your Stripe, they have the option to pay credit card or pay through Cash App. So that's how I got the payment through Cash App, using Stripe and Stripe's payment processing system. You don't have to use Stripe, but you can use whatever payment process system that you like. You can have up to 3 payment processing systems. I have the link in the description below if you want to get joined in and check this opportunity out. And I will show you the product levels. If you get started with the starter level, which is $50, the Elite level is $150, and the Pro level, which is $300. And you're gonna have to pay an admin fee. That's how you're gonna get your built and done for you website, just like this one you're looking at. If you come in at the 300 Pro level, that's gonna allow you to earn the 150 and the 50. If you come in at 150, you're gonna be able to earn the 50, and if you come in at 50, you'll be able to earn the 50. Now, congratulations to Ronald. He's gonna be starting at the 150, so that gives him a chance to earn 150 and 50 over and over again through whichever payment processing system he like. And I'm gonna keep this real short for you guys. There is a action taker bonus if you get started with me through the month of September. at the $300 level, I'm gonna pay that admin website fee for you. So that's one and done. Admin paid, the website paid for you on the Pro 300 level. And I'm gonna send 200 targeted clicks to you through one of my most trusted solo ad providers. I've been using her, and her clicks are very susceptible, and I would love to see you guys get in on this opportunity while it's still grand and going on. And that's what I got for you guys today. Again, the link is in the description if you want to get started with this, and I'll see you on the other side.